Freya. Morning, Abby. Morning, Talisha. Morning, Mrs. Pearson. Good morning, Alex J. Morning, Quinton. Morning, Sylvie. Morning, Leah. Morning, Charlie. Oh, morning, James. I had a lovely weekend. I hope you did as well. Morning, Oscar. Morning, Annabelle. Morning, Edward. Morning, Troy. Morning, Adam. Well, I all hope you had a lovely weekend. Morning, Finn. I hope you really enjoyed your VE Day celebrations. Oh, Ava's mum, don't worry at all. I hope it all goes all right today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so today we will be doing perimeter. Now, we did this at school. That's right, Abby, we miss everybody, but we've got to stay at home. Oh, it's gone blurry again. As you can tell, my cameraman is not here today. Freya, I'm really excited as well. Morning, George. So, perimeter is something we did at school together, so we all know. Can you tell me, and mums and dads, what the perimeter is? Pop your answer in the comments. What is perimeter? Morning, Troy. What is perimeter? Pop your answers in the comments for me. Oh, well done, Annabelle. Well done, George. I'll just wait for a few more answers. Well done, Freya. Morning, Mr. Mooney. Well done, James. Well done, Adam. Well done, Charlie, sorry. Well done, Finn. Well done, Sylvie. Morning, Isla. Well done, Alex J. So, we're going to find the perimeter of some rectangles. Well done, Abby. Well done, Quinton. Well done, Isla. So I have a rectangle. And I know it's a rectangle because not all four sides are equal. Okay? So this is 5 centimetres. Well done, Troy. Well done, Leah. And I know that if this side is 5 centimetres, well done, Talisha. If I know that this length is 5 centimetres, this length has got to be 5 centimetres as well because they are the same, they are equal. This side is 3 centimetres. Oh, morning, Lewis. This side is equal to this side, so that must be 3 centimetres as well. Okay? So, to find out the perimeter, I need to add them all together. Okay, so I need to do 5, add 5, add 3, add 3. Now we can all do that in our heads. So 5 add 5, add 3, add 3. Pop your answer in the comments, please, guys. Well done, Freya. Well done, Charlie. Well done, Abby. Well done, George. Well done, Annabelle. George, Annabelle, you know what I'm going to say? 16 what? Oranges, socks, headbands, pencils. Well done, Sylvie. Well done, Adam. Troy, 16 what? Elephants, mushrooms, spaghetti hoops. Leah, well done. Alex, well done, but what is it? Well done, Finn. Oh, hello, Mrs. Yates. And everyone at NJS. We're all watching in the hall. Lovely. Well done, Quinton. Well done, Esme. Well done, Annabelle. Thank you. Well done, Talisha. Well done, George. So, well done, Troy. Thank you. 5 add 5. Well done, Freya. 5 add 5 is 10. Add 3. Well done, James. 10 add 3 is 13. Add another 3 is 16. Don't forget your centimetres, because that's what the measurement is being recorded in. Well done, James. Well done, Isla. Abby, ask Mum and Dad what spaghetti hoops are. Well done, Alex J. Well done, Quinton. Well done, Oscar. So the next shape I'm going to draw. Again, it's another rectangle because these sides are equal and these sides are equal. Right. If this side here is 40 millimetres, this side here must be 40 millimetres. If this side here is 20 millimetres, oh Charlie, hang on a second. If this side here is 20 millimetres, so must this be. So now I need to add all of my sides together. Sometimes a question will only give me 2 sides and I have to fill in the other 2 sides. So, 40, add 40, add 20, add 20. Add 40, add 20, add 20. Pop your answers in the comments, please, guys. Well done, Abby. Well done, Freya. Freya, can you convert that to centimetres? How many millimetres are in centimetres? Well done, Troy. Well done, Finn. I'm just going to shut the door. I put a load of washing on. I put a load of washing on and it's got to the spin and it's quite noisy now. Well done, James. Well done, Finn. Well done, Freya. Well done. Well done, Adam. Well done, Annabelle. Well done, Leah. Oh, Quinton, we're working in millimetres, not centimetres. Well done, George. Well done, Isla. Well done, Sylvie. Well done, Adam. Well done, Charlie. Well done, Isla. So 40 add 40 is 80. Add 20 is 100. Add another 20 is 120 millimetres. but I know there is 10 millimetres in a centimetre, so I could turn that to 12 centimetres. But the question did ask me for 120 millimetres. Let's check the comments. Well done James, well done Isla, well done Charlie, well done Quinton, well done Alex J. Right, I'm going to draw another shape. Tell me one thing that we know about a square. Tell me one thing we know about a square. Pop your answer in the comments. What do we know about a square? Oh, Annabelle, well done. Well done Abby, well done Isla, well done Troy. Oh, well done, you're right, it is a 2D shape. Well done Freya, well done Leah. Well done George. Well done Sylvie. Well done Alex J. Well done Talisha. Well done James. Well done Finn. Oh, brilliant maths language, Sylvie. You've used the word equal, well done. So, I've got a square, so all of my sides are equal. One side is 3 metres, so that must mean that all sides are 3 metres. There are 2 sums that I could do to solve this question. I could do 3 add 3 add 3 add 3, side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Or, well done Charlie, all sides are straight, well done. Or I could do 3 times 4, because it's my measurement, times the amount of sides. So solve one of those for me please, you'll get the same answer. 3 add 3 add 3 add 3, or 3 times 4. Well done Freya, you've remembered your measurement. Well done Sylvie, well done Abby, well done George. Well done Troy. Well done Adam. Well done Isla. Hardly anybody's forgetting to put their measurement symbol, it's great. Well done Isla, well done Annabelle. Well done Abby. Or well done Leah, we're in metres, but well done for remembering you need a measurement. Well done Alex J. Oh, yo to Freya. Well done Charlie. Well done Quinton. Don't forget we're in metres, but I'm really impressed that you've remembered to put a measurement. Well done Finn. Well done James. Right. So 3 add 3 is 6, add 3 is 9, add 3 is 12 metres. Or I could have done 3 times 4, which is 12 metres. So the perimeter of my square is 12 metres. Right. I cleaned this whiteboard this morning as well. I got the anti-bac wipes out. Look at the mess it's making. 3W will know the pain of a messy whiteboard. Oh, that's annoying me. Right, so Rosie and Eva are trying to work out the perimeter of a shape. I'm going to draw the shape here. Okay. Well done, Quinton. So this is 6 centimetres. Now let me explain before anybody starts to work it out, okay? Because Rosie, here's Rosie, she thinks the answer is 10 centimetres because 6 add 4 equals 10. That's what Rosie thinks. Okay? However, Eva, she thinks the perimeter is 20 centimetres. Okay? Who is correct and how do we know? Oh, I've missed some comments. Oh, good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Watson. Freya, how do you know that's the answer? Explain to me. Tell me why. Somebody is correct because I need to finish that sentence. Who is correct? And tell me why. I'll give you a little bit longer on this one because I imagine there's a lot more typing. Charlie, who's correct? Rosie or Eva? Leah, how do you know it's 20 centimetres? Tell me why. Well done, George. Absolutely fantastic answer. George, if we were at school now, you'd be getting a sticker. Well done, Annabelle. Well done, Charlie. Charlie, tell me why. Well done, Troy. Finn, tell me why. Isla, tell me why. Well done, Alex J. Oh, Adam, check that. Because we add the sides together and those two of the sides were both. Well done, Freya. Well done, Quinton. Well done, James. So let's go through this answer together. Eva is correct because Rosie has only added 2 sides together, hasn't she? But Eva has added all 4 sides together. So Eva is correct because Rosie only added 2 sides together. Eva well done, Abby. Eva added all 4 sides together, which equaled 20 centimetres. Well done, Sylvie. Well done, Adam. Right, guys, your lesson is not over. I'm going to set you a challenge, okay? The extension is to measure the perimeter of a photo frame, a cereal box, your pencil case, a book, and a piece of paper, okay? They are 5 things, or any 5 things in your house Oh, Isla, maybe if you go off it and come back on it. I'd like you to go away and measure 5 different things in your house and get mums and dads to send your teacher the picture. Okay? So, if it was me, I might email my teacher me measuring my whiteboard, working out the perimeter of my whiteboard. Okay? I might measure the perimeter of one face of the tissue box. Okay? I might measure the perimeter of a photo frame all the way around the outside. Okay? While I'm doing that, I'll be working them out in my books, and mums and dads will take pictures and send them to your teacher, okay? I know exactly, Abby, you could measure the perimeter of the TV, okay? 5 things that you've measured the perimeter of. You've got until the end of the day, there's no rush. You can do it now, you can do it in an hour, you can do it after lunch, totally up to you. 5 things to find the perimeter of and send the pictures to your teacher, okay? Brilliant. My work here is done. Over to you guys. Oh, Sylvie, I love challenges. Well, it sounds like this one's right up your street. Get your measuring sticks out and we'll see the pictures later. I'll post tomorrow's work on the website. Have a lovely afternoon. 3W, I will see you later. Okay, see you tomorrow guys, bye.